Ni na udhocha ingi atongo ikivathukanio maki uteti matongo iwe ni ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka nimeumania vanene kuoa na kuumiwa kwa enendi kavindani kala manai maandamanoni makuleana na finance bill ndongo ithi siweta vena vata wa kwithukisya amuika maikwatana na uneni wa nzama ya LSK kana ngwatanio ya mawakili vandi ya Kenya wakosewa matambia maofisa ma polisi ala methitwe makiatha enendi kavindani ka maandamano maweta kana amuika ala ni Gen Z mena uthasyo wa kuleana na mauthuku ma utongoi wa Kenya na mena wailu kana ve wailu serikali ithukisye kiyo choni livoti yake Boni Motese.
Tongo ya matongo ni ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka mainene ya kuya yata Kalonzo wetakana muika wa Kenya nimeumbanityo kuvindo utongo iwe mwana maundu wangi na wivata masiwa kutoese miatianio yo ila mavangite chumwane chukite.
And now the Gen Z are going to whitewash. They're going to cleanse our judicial system, our administrative systems, executive, parliament. They will occupy every polling station whenever the next election be called. They've even said any among them without voters' cards, we will have to get them and change their country. They know their rights. And they're saying this country must now change. And this has actually attracted global attention. So, my friends from Parliament, please take note. They are coming on Tuesday. They have said it. They are coming for you. And they are saying, parents, don't take your children to school on Tuesday because the country will have a lockdown. This because they have to honor one of their fallen colleagues. And they even go to State House to witness William Ruto signing into law this unfortunate finance bill. They know the rights. So when that happens, please don't shoot them down.
Na kingavana wa kaunti ya Masaka kumwandua vinyandeti wetakana muika na utalo munene va Kenya na ni maeleta unewa mwanya kuelese mathina mo vate kuvuwa kana kuumiwa onangi kumwa mathayo mo nthini wa miatiano ila mavangite.
They'll make us listen to them by force. And I want to tell you, Mheshimiwa na wale wengine, even the youth that are abroad, wamesema they are on holiday and they all come here to support the fellow youth. Hapa kuna shida. Kuna shida, and they are more than us. They are more than 75% going to 80. Why can't we just listen to them? And also killing our youth senselessly is bad. This young man, the mother is from Machakos, the father is from Gem. The boy was just running. He was shot from the back. Are you supposed to shoot somebody who is facing you or running away from you? Si hata wangepiga risasi mahali ingine ndio mtu asikufe. Please let us not joke around with these young people. Si ninamtuma si anakuaga huko, mimi niko county. We carry them for 9 months and we take care of them until they get to the age that they get. Alafu somebody senseless anakuja kuua mtoto. We are not going to allow that. And let me tell you, hapo sasa, I can tell you as a mother and a governor, hapo you're touching a raw nerve.
Kemu wimbo wa kilomunge cha manyataku ya kaundi nembu mukuji kitonga iwetakana muika ndo ele sauti wanzona vanini idhwa muika mekwa rito vanene ndini wa muyana wa ndino ya Kenya na maundu wangi kivathukanyo anahicho kitumi wende na ulea na mutalatala wa ilovia ula wendeke dhuni silikali ya Kenya kwanza kuidhwa tonya kuumesi andu ingi mevo wa muika.
I said no when I looked as a generation that was in the streets, that was asking for audience. And I felt we have left them behind in making of the financial bill decision that they are supposed to contribute to. We need to carry our population with us when we are making financial decisions. I stand for that.
Even if some of us go home now, we'll be very happy. Because inji imepata wenyewe. There will never be any more election rigging. Madam Deputy Chief Justice, there will be very few election petitions. Because the country will be overrun, the country will have justice, free and fair elections. And this will remain the beacon of hope, not just in our region, but in the entire African continent. So these are the conversations we'll continue. The Gen Zs are coming for you, believe you me. And they're not coming with violence. They're just calling you out.
Eni wake wa tombo ni muimbo wa kiromuge cha Nambale Geoffrey Mulanya akiwa wetakana hithi wewe wambe kuendea na ulena na mutalala wewe ndekethe ni serikali ya Kenya Kwanza na endea na usukuma yombe alangi kwa rucha mutalala wewe chumwani chukite.
Because Kenyans have issued their sentiment through public participation, and the young Kenyans are being said we are being left aside. We are being attacked through the taxes introduced on digital platform, where we are now earning a living because they know employment. I personally said, let's put a break on this particular bill until we listen to all Kenyans. We sit down and see that when we come up with the taxation regulations, they must be favorable to all Kenyans and accommodative to each one of us. That I did my public duty to ensure that I vote no, but apparently the bill passed. But we are still voting from Tuesday. We'll try and mobilize more of our colleagues so that we ensure that at least we have more amendments to the particular provisions of the law that we feel that Kenyans are really complaining and speaking loud that they must fall, so that we have a proper and accommodative legislation.
Chumo kiki thiwe na misemba nyo na mithiuka nyo mwingi ya muika nthinu iso ikathunisia nthinu ya Kenya na kula na mutalatala wa ilovia na kila cheteletwa muno ni chumo ni chukite ene nthi maenda umanyani chau kikithwa kwendeye na jume nthinu onanya wa muthia methwa maiwete chau yulwa mutalatala wa ilovia wetete kiuyo kingi kwene nthi kaunti ya Masaku nyeni toponi mutisia.